Hello everyone, I'm back with another art tutorial and today we'll be painting a colorful flower wall. For the sky first, I'm using a mixture of ultramarine blue and white. I'll leave the space for a big cloud in between. For the cloud, I'm using white as the base. I'm getting some white out on the blue surface as well. I have here a semi-wet brush with which in small circular motions I'm blending the outer edges of the cloud. Bringing in some blue element in between the cloud as well and making some smaller clouds in the same way as we made the bigger one. After it has dried up, I'm using a mixture of lemon yellow and white, using a detail brush. The majority of this yellow will be on the left side of the cloud. On top of it, I used some yellow at some places. On the righter side, I used a mixture of orange and white. Adding some yellow element to the shorter clouds as well. Towards the borders, I'm using grey, which I made by mixing white and black. After using a little bit of it using a detail brush, I'm blending it using a semi-wet brush. A semi-wet brush means the brush is damp. There is not a lot of water. For the wall, I'm using grey. It mainly consists of white, in which I mixed a very little amount of black. After it dries up, I'm painting crisscross lines using yellow ochre. Towards one side of these straps, I'm adding a detailed line which is a mixture of yellow ochre and some brown. A detailed line only on one side. I'm adding a rope-like structure which is twined around the strap with burnt umber. Then I'm painting a tree. I'll be first painting the branches. Now wherever the branch is thick, I applied more pressure on my brush, and for thinner strokes, I just used it very lightly, that is light pressure. After the branches, I'm adding the leaves using a fan brush. As you can see, my hand moves in a left-right movement, which makes my brush move in opposite directions, so that I can have leaves in every direction and not just one particular one. Here I made some stems using a mixture of Prussian blue and dark green. Then I'm adding some leaves. My leaves are just random blobs of paint. They have no particular shape. Then adding a lighter element using a mixture of light green and olive green. Adding some flowers using a mixture of white and purple. Once again, they are just random blobs of paint without any particular shape. Adding some highlights to them using purple. And then made some more flowers using a mixture of pink and white. Peel the masking tape off after your painting has become dry. Here you are with your painting of a colorful flower wall. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.